Da, 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 da. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale. I do videos on makeup, fashion, and motherhood. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to check out the rest of my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe if you feel motivated to do so. And today I will be doing another unboxing video for you guys. And I guess this one is luxury too. It's actually from Chanel. And this is not an actual Chanel bag, but I'll get to it. So yeah, this Christmas I got myself one of the Chanel gift sets. Last year this was a big thing. I think it was this just last year and the year before too, I think. So it was a really big thing. Everybody was going crazy for this Chanel gift set because they could change the bag, which is actually, well, from Chanel, and make it into a Chanel bag. So I decided to jump on this trend. Now I don't know how much I will like this, but I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna try it out, okay? And for people who feel some type of way because this is not an actual Chanel bag, that's on you. If it's made by the company, it's their bag, okay? So this is the box. And it says Chanel in gold, and then you have some glitter and stars around on the black box. And this is what the moisture must-haves hand and lip set. Not truth be told, I'm not too crazy about the packaging. Some people find it's extremely gorgeous, but I don't know if I really like it like that, but that's fine. So I'm gonna open this up. Let's see. Okay, so it comes in this white box right here. Oh, okay. Okay. And it says Chanel on the front. And can y'all see the material? Is it showing up? Let me see if I can show you guys the back. So I'm not quite sure how well this shows on camera, but I'm sorry about my voice, you guys. I don't know, like, I feel like I've been sick ever since the temperature changed. But yeah, so this is the Chanel pouch, and it's almost kind of like, looks glittery, like it reflects light, but it looks kind of like a lace material also. And then on the zipper it says Chanel. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yeah, so I'm not quite sure what material they used to put the word Chanel there, but it isn't like, you know how Michael Kors and Coach will have like an actual metal. That's not metal though, but it still looks pretty nice. It doesn't look like it's gonna come off really easily. So let me see what's inside. So inside is just empty. I thought it had the Chanel tag inside somewhere. Okay, well, I know I could have sworn that on the internet I saw it had the Chanel tag inside, but I didn't see it in this one. I guess it was last year's version of this bag. But you have two areas on the side right here, two flaps where you can add D-rings, and then you add a strap to this, but honestly you guys, I didn't know how I was going to feel about this, but it looks really nice, honestly. Like I would definitely wear this out or give this to somebody. And I'm going to do like a gift bag slash haul video, like ideas video. If you guys interested in that, let me know, because I have a few from Coach, Michael Kors, then the Louis purse, and this Chanel bag. So if you guys want to see that video and give you guys some ideas of what you could give somebody, like your mom or your girlfriend or loved one, I could definitely do that for you guys. But yeah, I am satisfied with my purchase. So let's see the items inside. I already know that I'm not going to go too crazy for the items, but like the actual lip and hand product, because it's not even like a lipstick. I think this is this an actual? Yeah, no. It's like a lip balm, like a lip moisturizer. So so it just has the Chanel logo, and it is, oh, I already damaged it. You see what I mean? Anyway, here it goes. I'm sorry guys. Okay, and then there is the Chanel hand moisturizer. Okay, so it just says La Crème Mint. So it's a hand cream and it says Chanel at the top. I like the egg shape. I don't know. I like the egg shape, like I already did. Okay, so let's see. Okay. What is this? So I open it up and it's still like, I don't know if you could see. Yeah. I'm confused. How do you use this? Do you have to squeeze it? Oh. Chanel, you're too fancy for me, because the type of lotion I use, all you do is just like, this is okay. So there's a little hole at the top and you squirt it up like this, but it's super fancy. Like, oh my god, let me use it right now. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god, this thing smells amazing. Y'all are getting my genuine reaction. It smells amazing. It's a lightweight. It has like a little powdery scent at the end, but I'm not mad at it. Like, it's so smooth and silky. Hold on, let me get some more. So I was over here thinking that I just wanted the bag, but no. The lotion is everything, and I don't know why, but lately I feel like my hands have been so dry. So, ooh. And I have some, like, about 4 foundations from Chanel. So I have tried their makeup products before, and they were perfectly fine, but I just wasn't, I just never thought about, you know, like shopping from Chanel if it's not like MAC or Juvia's Place or Fenty. I only have like a few things from Fenty. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. And when I get the straps, I will be showing you guys different ways you can wear this as well. And I'm just gonna strap it back up, and yeah, I'm very happy. I'm extremely happy with this purchase, you guys. So yeah, if you like this, let me know. Is this something that you would buy? Is this something that you would buy for someone else? I think this one retails for $92, but they have cheaper options that you can get for $60, and they have different things that come in it, like liquid lipsticks, actual lipsticks. It's just different stuff. You can find this on their website, on Chanel's website, also at Macy's as well, or if you Google it, it will pop up. Just put like Chanel gift set. But yeah, I am very pleased with this. Very, very pleased. Yeah, can you see me wearing it as a clutch? Yeah. I think so. And it's dropping a second look here. Why am I more excited about this bag than my Louis Vuitton wallet. I don't know, like I guess it's because I always like I have been researching the Louis Vuitton wallet for so long, like I already felt like I had it, you know. I manifested it. This one wasn't really a manifestation. I saw it and I thought I'd try it just because it went viral last Christmas and I missed out. But yeah, no more rambling, okay you guys? So yeah, tell me if you like this. Leave a comment below. Let me know if this is something that you would gift to somebody else. And I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.